Hi guys! Sa mga hindi fan sa inyo ng mga automations or chatbot, this video is for you. So basically, this one is a Bootkick AI calculator where we introduce how we calculate the revenue or potential revenue versus with AI and without AI. Papopulate ko siya ngayon and then I'll go ahead and then go through on some of the informations that we can discuss further. Now, let's map your current human operations or your current operations. So let's take for example, yung business natin is an e-com store wherein bebenta sila siguro ng mga mobile devices. Sige sabihin natin mobile devices ng mga second hand or mga brand new. So let's take for example, they are having siguro nagra-run sila ng ads. I-predict natin yung ganun. Nagra-run sila ng ads and they have 5,000 messages per day. Messages per day. That's unique one. Now, target sales nila siguro makabenta sila ng 50 items. Okay? And then, ang prediction natin dito, sabi dito kasi, based on research and also data na rin from VAs and call center agents, ang pinaka um, tolerable na number of message that they can see na wala pang masyadong automations is nasa 700 to 800 messages per day. Ganun kadami. And then, titingnan nila kung quality yon or what, or skip nila. So, ganun karami yung nagawa or calculations na ginagawa natin dito or nilagay ko dito. So, sabi dito, since you're getting 5,000 daily message, you have 50 target sales, and also, kakalculate nyo dito kung ilan dapat yung staff mo. Well, sige. Sabihin natin na hindi ako mabait na staff. So, or na boss. So, meron akong 5 staff lang, which is ang recommended dapat dyan is 8 if you're getting 5,000 messages a day. Okay? And then, sige, sabihin natin na ang pasahod ko lang sa kanila sa 15,000 kasi masama akong boss. And then, recommended model ko dito for AI integration naman is, sige, since Pancake has already GPT-5, select natin si Mini. Monthly revenue, sige, sabihin natin yung cellphone na 50 na yan, ang revenue ko dyan, sige, sabihin natin na nasa 2 million. Ibang zero yan. Sige, 2 million. Average order value, sige, sabihin natin nasa mid-tier lang na product, sige, 15K cellphone. And also, we need to take this one, especially if we have, we're going to upload the files doon sa ating AI. So, take ko yan para at least mag-compute din siya. So, what's the estimation for this one? In AI kasi, or in Bootcake AI, we are being charged per token. Now, Bootcake has a capability to generate at least 15,000 AI instructions. So, pwede ka maglagay ng 15,000 characters doon. Those characters can be translated into 4,000 tokens. Okay? So, that's for the instruction. Tapos, sabihin natin na 50 plus tokens then for the customer message. And also, meron tayong 500 tokens for the files plus 200 tokens for AI responses. Then, we are getting 4,750 tokens per message. Okay? Now, let's compare muna dito ang human operations with Bootcake AI. So, unahin muna natin dito. So, in terms of human operations mo kasi, you are only limited to 8 to 10 hours per day. Because yun lang naman talaga yung coverage talaga ng mga ano. Unless i-rotate mo yung mga tao mo. Now, if you're going to rotate your staff naman, yung 5 na yan within 24 by 7, syempre, cover pa rin yung 8 hours to 10 hours per day accumulated. Okay? Now, another problem natin dyan is kapag morning lang sila. So, of course, there's no night or weekend coverage. Lalo na kapag Monday to Friday, 8 to 5 ang pasok nila. Also, they need breaks. They need leaves. They are also entitled for sick leave. Also, human errors. We also need training and turnover cost. Burnout and moral issues. So, coaching pa rin. Kailangan mo rin uplift yung moral nila. Especially kapag nababurnout na yung mga VAs natin or yung staff. Now, sabihin na natin, so that's the salary, no? Pinapasahod natin sila ng 15,000 per month. Meron tayong 5 VAs. So, that equivalent as total cost on salaries na 75,000. Of course, since we are mandated by law, also they are entitled for benefits SSS and other benefits. Also for overhead costs, So, meron din tayo dyan, 7,500. And also management. So, that's total in operations of 100,750. For reality check, your team only covers 8 hours a day. That's 33% coverage. You're missing potential customer during the 16 hours daily. Okay? Now, revenue, you're losing right now because you are missing for sales, miss sales per day of hours ng 100. Lost revenue per month mo nasa 45 million if yung calculations natin is eto. So you're getting 2 million per month for revenue with average order or AOV na 15,000 and total sales mo to. So yan. Yan yung nawawala mong sales if may AI ka. So what you're losing this, why you're losing this revenue? Because no one replies when customer message at night or weekends. Also, slow response time during peak hours equals customer buys from competitors. Stop burnout leads to poor service quality and lost repeat customers. Okay? So, what happens if meron tayong AI? So, that will be 24 by 7 and 365 availability. We have instant response time. We have also consistent quality every time. We can also scale instantly with demand, no training or turnover. Pwede rin tayo makipag-usap sa mga customers natin in English, Tagalog, Bisaya, and whatever language it is as long as it's supported by OpenAI. Now, of course, since you have AI, of course, you are consuming tokens. So tokens again is what we are paying with OpenAI, which is converted into peso. So estimated 150 messages per month. So that's 682 million tokens. If you're using GPT-5 mini, and that's 13,376 yung billable charges mo for this one. So also if you have 150,000 messages per month, so hindi naman siya pasok dun sa chargeable AI messages pricing ng Bootcake kasi di ba meron tayong 500 under 500k messages mo kasi meron rin tayong fee na doon from Pancake na mismo. So 3 million messages per month, meron tayong 30 USD, 5 million messages per month, meron tayong 50 USD. Okay? Now, for revenue you could capture is, since yung meron ka ng monthly revenue here na 2 million, potential revenue mo dito is nasa 67 million pesos. Additional revenue per month mo if it's captured by AI, nakakapag-close siya ng sales, that will be 45 million pesos. The reason is that kasi 24 by 7, handled unlimited concurrent customers. So, kahit meron kang 1,000 customers na nagsabay-sabay na nagchat-chat dyan, AI can handle it. Bootcake AI can handle it. And also, consistent and high quality yung mga service na napoprovide natin dyan. Also, it builds loyal customers. So, your potential savings naman dito in terms of pasahod. So, for monthly, meron kang savings dito na 95,000 because ang pasahod mo sa kanila currently is 108,000 dun sa 5 VA na 15,000 per month. So, ang monthly saving cost mo dyan nasa 95,000. Meron kang quarterly savings dyan na 286,000 and also on a yearly basis, meron kang savings dito na 1,144,000. So, that's the savings kapag nire-allocate natin yung 5 VA na yan. So, instead of nakatutok lang sila dito, tapos tagasagot ng replies or tagasagot dun sa mga messages na yan, yung VA na yan, pwede natin i-allocate or reallocate for maybe dun sa mga nagpapack na, pwedeng escalation na lang. So, in case na kailangan ng human intervention na, then yun na lang yung mag-capture ng mga messages na yun. So, yun yung magiging coverage nyo na lang. Okay? So, beyond cost savings mo dito, sabi dito, AI doesn't just save money. It captures leads you're losing during off hours. So with 24 by 7 coverage, you could potentially increase sales by 30 to 50% just from the customers you're missing at night and weekends. So ganun ka-powerful ang AI if we implement this one correctly.